Hi, I'm John Sanders and the CEO of HydroKleen Australia. When we talk about cleaning air conditioners, there are some things that you as the consumer can do. You can actually remove the filters and clean these, and you just clean them in warm soapy water and put them back again. Now you should be cleaning those, if you're using your air conditioner regularly, you should be cleaning those probably every month or so. If you get a provider in to clean your air conditioner and they take the covers off and the filters out, but they leave this big cover here on, then you're not going to get your air conditioner cleaned properly, because three things are going to happen. The receiver board that sits here, when water is pumped into the head unit, is actually going to blow up that receiver board, and all the bits of coil that are behind here are not going to be able to be cleaned. Plus, the coil here actually goes down the back of here, also can't be cleaned, and nor can the drain. When you get them HydroKleened, you can see we've actually removed that cover totally off the head unit, and we can then have access to the drain, which is really important that we clean that, because otherwise your air conditioner will block the drain and leak. And you can see there that we can also get to the coil down the back, and the drain at the top of the air conditioner can also be cleaned properly as well. So just reiterating, if a provider doesn't take the covers off, as we've seen back here, then you're not going to get it cleaned properly.